Okay, this is my puppy Parker. He's out of my dog Gunner. He's about 6 months old here. I've just started to kind of run him in the field, trying to get him to go with me and hunt with me. He doesn't have any formal training on any kind of commands like whoa. I will yell the command whoa and all that sort of stuff, but he doesn't know what it means. I have started to try to teach come, but I'm just really looking for some positive field exposure and maybe some bird contacts. Okay, this is Parker's first wild bird covey point. I kind of miss it when I'm walking because I'm stepping through some barbed wire fence on the ground. But I hear the covey rise, get up, and I look up and I realize what happened. But fortunately, the camera catches it all.
Whoa. Oh shit. He had a point.
Okay, this is Parker's second wild bird point. It's a nice covey of quail. It's about 3 weeks later than the first point he had. He gets them at about 50 or 60 yards away from me, holds them pretty good, kind of creeps in with me when I get up there, but all in all, it's a pretty good job and happy to see it from him.
Whoa, Parker. Holy shit, Parker. Way to go, buddy.
Now I'm trying to hurry here and beat him to the bird, because if he gets it, in the past, every time I've shot a bird over him, a pen raised bird, this is his first wild quail, he's headed for the hills.
Parker, over here. Parker, over here. Parker, come. Parker, bird in here. Parker, come. Bird in here. Parker.
It's really nice to see him work with his nose right here.
I know, I hit him. Good boy. Whoa. Good boy, Parker. Good boy. Yeah. Woohoo! Parker's first wild quail. First wild bird. Good boy. That was a good point. Nice big covey. Nice job, Parker. You're a bird dog. Legitimate. Yeah. That's a good boy. Good boy. Come on.
All right, this is Parker's first wild single.
Holy shit.
Parker. Okay, this is kind of cool. I'm standing in the area where I had knocked down the single. I had already found it myself and picked it up, and I decided that the morning had gone really, really well, so I decided I was going to put Parker on the check cord and grab my gun and head back to the truck. When I looked over to my left, I realized Parker was probably on point again. I also spend a few seconds trying to fumble around in my vest to get some shells in the gun.
Good boy. So you have a point right there. That's a 6-month-old bird dog right there. Whoa. Holy shit,
Okay, this is me and Parker taking a run in some nice pheasant habitat, and we flush up about 3 hens, I think, and it's kind of neat to see. Man, I wish I could have shot a big old rooster over him this year.
You want to go in there? Good boy. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh. No, Parker, over here. Oh, shit. Fence.